Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you getting the Facebook error? You are not eligible to use basic mode in 2026. Don't worry, let me explain and fix it quickly. Okay, see, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now search here Facebook and tap on the Facebook. Force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission, calendar, allow, call logs, allow, camera, allow, contacts, allow, location, allow, microphone, allow, nearby device, allow, notification, allow, phone, allow, photos and videos, allow. Okay, go back. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, go back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store and now search here Facebook and check update your Facebook. My Facebook app already updated. Okay, go back, open your Facebook app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.